This guy's abuse the law, everyone. Quítese la chingada de aquí. Look at this guy again. This bitch is telling me orders. Yeah.
Hey, do me a favor, you can record, but hasta más para allá.
Right here.
That's fine, bro. Just go back.
That's not my first rodeo, okay? I'm not scared of going to jail. Fuck you. I'll be out.
Hey, you've been losing weight, huh?
Huh?
You've been losing weight, huh?
You guys are trash. That's why you always get something to. Yeah? You're laughing. Look at the dumb smile you have on your face, fool. I'm not your friend. Yeah, I'm never. Hell no. I'm not friends with cops.
Last time you invited me to a carne asada.
No, you're in your dream. Your dream. This guy's abuse of power, everyone. Look, that guy looks like he's already. And these guys are abuse the law, everyone. They always abuse the law. That's why the police is not your friends. I film them daily. Yeah? Every day, and people like to.